Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a GTA 5 crash on loading screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, the first thing what you should do here, you need to go to the client that you bought, where you bought GTA 5 from, and then right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted game files that need to be fixed. And if this doesn't help, then you need to make sure that your GPU drivers are fully updated. So you need to go to Device Manager, then you need to go to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is open your disk C, then you need to go to Windows, then you need to go to System32, and here you need to write dyn put.8.dll, right? And then you need to copy these two files, copy and save it to desktop or whatever you like. And then what you need to do here, I will show you these files here. And then what you need to do here is to find your GTA 5 directory. So for me is disk C, program files x86, then Steam apps, and then common, and then it should be here GTA 5. And what you need to do here is to put these files here, and your problem should be fixed. And if this doesn't work, then what you can do here is to basically right click on the GTA 5 launcher here, go to properties, and then in compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator and apply the changes. And if this doesn't work, then just deselect these things here and try again. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.